in front of you with 4 circular wheels. Each wheel is 10 spots, like from 0 to 9. The wheels can rotate freely and wrap around. For example, if we turn 9 to be 0 and 0 to be 9, so some kind of a circular array, right? So each move consists of turning one wheel, one slot. The lock initially starts at 0, 0, 0, 0, a string representing the state of the 4 wheels. You are given a list of dead ends, meaning if the lock displays any of these codes, the wheel of the lock will stop turning and you won't be able to open it. Given a target representing the value of the wheels that will unlock the lock, return the minimum total number of turns required to open the lock, or -1 if it is impossible.
I think it's a classic BFS question, right? Like you start with this number, and you move and you get the answer. And if you have some like dead ends, then you don't consider that one. Like you start with 0, 0, 0, 0, and you try to reach the target, and when you reach the dead end, we don't consider the dead end. And from this we can make a graph and get the length of the BFS.
Yes.
Okay, for the readers, I will explain it a bit more detail. So maybe if you guys can like in the Google Doc explain it. How would you implement it using BFS? Let me copy the question. Okay. So you guys, how would you solve it using BFS? You guys can explain? Yes.
So step 1 can be like we have to keep track of these dead ends, right? So insert these dead ends into a set, into a hash set.
Yes.
So that if we encounter any of them, and we can stop our process.
Yes.
And we also need to keep track of a visited array, like all the visited strings. So this will be a visited set, and at this written that we start from this point. So 0, 0, 0, 0 will be inserted into this visited set. And for the step 3, like as we are using BFS, so we will use a queue and insert this element into the queue.
Yes.
And then the BFS continues like while the
queue is like not empty.
Queue is not empty. Then what we can do, like we
generate all
the first element. Yes.
Like dequeue it and
get the dequeue it.
Yes.
And so and we should also check if that point is a dead end.
No, actually this point won't be a dead end, because if the point is dead end, we won't just insert it in the queue.
Oh, yes. Okay, so
generate all the possible combinations from this point which are not dead end. So you'll make an auxiliary function which will take a input and generate all the combinations that we can go from this combination and which are valid, not dead end.
Okay, so generate a string, like the possible strings to where we can go.
List of strings, yes, exactly, yeah.
And like
these strings are like the nodes, you know, the adjacent node from a node.
Yes. And we will try, like, suppose this is a string, and 0, 0, 0, 0 is here. Then okay, so I suppose I have a loop from 0 to 4. Like there are 4 characters in our this thing, and we will make a string which will be the substring of this 0 to I, and str substring from I plus 1, and in between we should have that logic, like if our current character is 9 and we put 0, like in that way, sir, like is it correct?
I mean, it's very simple, right? Like, so like think how can you generate from 0 0 0 0, what you can generate? You can generate 0 0 0 1, or you can generate 0 0 1 0, or you can generate 1 0 1 0 0, or 1 0 0 0, right? And also you can decrement it, right? So you can also get 0 0 0 9 and 0 0 9 0, 0 9 0 0 and 9 0 0 0, right? Both. Like like from any element you can go like one before and one after. So you can generate you can create a function which will give you all these combination and which are not dead end and not already visited.
So I think it should be like this. We will get our current character from the string.
Okay, like you can implement it later. Just like just make it a function that will give you all the possible combinations. Suppose, okay, you have a function that gives you this one, and you can implement it later. Like, I mean, generate all possible combinations. Possible valid combination that a function gives you. Now what will you do? So you have a function that gives you the all possible combinations from that point. Now what will the next step? Are you guys there? Oh, I think it's all okay.
Yeah, I think Saurabh got it.
You guys here? Complete it fast because I only have 8 minutes. So yeah, then what will you do, Saurabh? Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so here we will generate all possible
Valid
combinations.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. and then we have to check like which combinations are not visited.
And add it in the queue.
Yeah, combinations not visited and add into queue.
Yes.
Yeah, and every time we have to increment one counter, which will tell us like to what levels.
Yeah, like the increment the counter.
Yeah.
Okay.
And in between this, if we found our like one combination which is the required one, we will return this level.
Yes.
We can do this step after generating all the combinations.
Okay. Fine.
Found the target. We will return our level.
Great. So this should work, and let's see one. So yeah, you can implement that, and it should work. Cool. So you guys, thanks for watching with us, and we solved 2 questions, and we will keep solving some more questions in upcoming days. So please follow the channel and get notified. Have a good day. Bye.